1.2 How Attention Engineers Hijack Your Brain. Chapter 1.2 How Attention Engineers Hijack Your Brain. Welcome to an eye-opening journey into the hidden forces shaping your attention every time you pick up your phone or open an app. In this chapter, we're going to unravel how attention engineers, the designers and developers behind many digital platforms, strategically hijack your brain's focus. Understanding their tactics is the first step toward reclaiming your mental space and building resilience against the constant pull of distraction. The attention economy, your focus as currency. First, let's grasp the bigger picture. We live in what experts call the attention economy. In this economy, your attention isn't just a personal resource, it's the most valuable commodity. Every like, swipe, and notification is designed to capture and hold your gaze because your attention translates directly into revenue for these companies. The longer you stay, the more ads you see, the more data they collect, and the more money they make. This dynamic has given rise to a whole new kind of professional, the attention engineer. These are specialists trained in psychology, neuroscience, and behavioral economics, working behind the scenes to optimize apps and platforms so they grab your focus and keep it. How apps exploit your brain's wiring. So, how exactly do these apps hijack your brain? It all comes down to exploiting the way your brain is wired for reward and novelty. 1. Variable reward schedules. You might have heard of the concept of a slot machine effect. Attention engineers borrow this from gambling psychology. Instead of giving you a predictable reward, say a like every time you post, they use variable reward schedules. Sometimes you get a flood of likes or interesting content, sometimes you get none. This unpredictability triggers dopamine, the brain's pleasure chemical, making you crave just one more scroll to see what comes next. Example, think about Instagram or TikTok. You never know what type of post will pop up next, a hilarious video, a stunning photo, or a surprising fact. This uncertainty keeps your brain engaged, often long past your intention to stop. 2. Infinite scroll on autoplay. Another classic tactic is infinite scroll. By removing natural stopping cues, no page end, or next button, the app removes your brain's chance to say, okay, I'm done. Autoplay. Videos feed you content seamlessly, reducing friction and making it easier to stay glued. Example, YouTube's autoplay feature is notorious for this. One video ends, and the next starts automatically. Before you know it, an hour has passed watching videos you didn't even plan to watch. 3. Social validation loops. Humans are social creatures wired to seek connection and approval. Attention engineers harness this by turning social validation into a game. Notifications about likes, comments, and messages light up your phone, triggering a mini dopamine hit and pulling you back in repeatedly. Example, Facebook's notifications are designed to pop up at strategic moments, often nudging you just when you're about to disengage, ensuring you return. 4. Personalization algorithms. These algorithms analyze your behavior in real time to serve content tailored to your preferences, making the experience feel irresistibly relevant. The more relevant the content, the more likely you are to keep consuming. Example, Netflix's recommendation engine suggests shows and movies based on your viewing history, which can lead to just one more episode binges. Real-world impact, attention hijacked, focus fractured. The result? Our brains are constantly pulled into cycles of distraction and reward. Studies show that frequent interruptions and fragmented attention reduce our ability to concentrate deeply, impairing creativity, memory, and even decision-making. It's no surprise that many people report feeling mentally exhausted despite spending hours engaged online. Practical takeaways, reclaiming your attention. Now that you know the tricks attention engineers use, here are some practical strategies to take back control. 1. Set clear intentions before using apps. Before opening an app, ask yourself, what am I here to do? Setting a purpose reduces mindless scrolling. 2. Use time limits and app blockers. Many smartphones now offer built-in tools to limit app usage. Use these features to create boundaries. 3. Turn off non-essential notifications. Notifications are like little attention alarms. Disable all but the most important to reduce constant pull. 4. Create physical barriers. Leave your phone in another room while working or during meals to avoid temptation. 5. Practice mindfulness. Training your mind to notice when it's drifting back into distraction can help you consciously redirect your focus. Yeah. Wrapping up, attention. Engineers have built their expertise around one goal: capturing your focus and keeping it. They exploit fundamental aspects of your brain's reward system, leveraging variable rewards, infinite scroll, social validation, and personalization to keep you hooked. But understanding these tactics shines a light on the hidden mechanisms at play and empowers you to fight back. Your attention is precious. Protect it like the valuable currency it truly is. In the next chapter, we'll dive into how to build your personal baseline for focus and create habits that strengthen your mental resilience in this attention economy. Stay tuned, and remember, awareness is your first step toward freedom. End of chapter 1.2.